Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, you need to install Google Play Games Beta. Open your browser and search for Google Play Games Beta. Click on the first link that says Take Mobile Gaming to your PC. On this page, click the download button. Once the download starts, wait for it to be completed. After it's done, open the setup and begin the installation. Choose a location for installation. Click Install and confirm by clicking Yes if prompted. After installation, launch Google Play Games Beta and sign in with your Google account. Make sure to use the same account where your Mobile Legends progress is saved. Once signed in, create your profile and accept the terms. Next, go to the Explore section by clicking the search icon. If you see Mobile Legends listed, click on it. If not, type Mobile Legends in the search bar. Click Install and wait for the game to download. Once installed, click Play to launch the game. So that's basically how you can play Mobile Legends Bang Bang on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.